Welcome to the Big Wipes demo team. This is carbon black silicone, one of the worst things you can get on your hands, tools or surfaces. Let's add some solvent-based trade paint in there too. I'm going to paste that on. Much more difficult to shift than water-based paint or emulsion, and to make this a real challenge, we'll mix in some auto grease as well. All very well and all very difficult to get off your hands, but what about if you added some PU foam? Because this stuff is really nasty, and I'll mix that in as well. Hands, you might have to clean those. Surfaces, almost definitely. But what about if you got it in the hairs of your arm? A really nasty place to get this sort of grime. You, over here. And I'll come back for that later. Now, introducing Big Wipes Heavy Duty 4x4. Quite simply, we take the textured side and we put it face down on the area we want to clean. Immediately, the fabric and the solution start working together to shift the grime. And with Big Wipes, it's just a question of how quickly. And I think you'll agree, that was fast. Now, even though the side of the wipe there is impregnated with all that grime, it doesn't, no matter how hard you try to transfer it, go back on your surface of your skin. You can never make more of a mess than you've already made. What about that hairy arm? You, back here. I can use the same grubby wipe to continue cleaning, even those hard to reach places. And in a couple of seconds, all the grime has vanished. And yet I'm not done. Same dirty wipe. I take the same dirty side, face down here on my grubby handprints. And again, we keep on cleaning. And you'll notice the wipe does not redistribute any of the grime back onto the surface. It doesn't slop the grime around. It just keeps absorbing. All the Big Wipes contain 4 powerful skin conditioners to protect your skin. They're antibacterial, preservative-free, dermatologically tested, and meet every EU regulation concerning cosmetics. Big Wipes Heavy Duty, no matter where you are, whatever you get on your hands, they'll get it off.